coming. Jamesy, sit on it. He's coming. Bye-bye, Messi. Oh, look, here comes the big John Deere. Oh, there's two of them. Wow, should we get some? Oh, look, come on. Come back here.
Come on, Grandpa.
That's a big one, isn't it?
And to sit on it.
Do you want to get on it?
And to get some steps like that.
Alright then.
Maybe you could get in the front.